Hello friends, today I'm going to change the inside seal for this pump, the vessel pump. For that I already unscrew the bolt here and this one too. So change that. I will take this backward. And you see seal inside. I need to change this whole thing, and I will remove this. I have a tool, so I'm gonna use this and remove this one. So let's start. Removing this is not an easy job. I already threw my tool inside the seal and pushing it out. So one end came out. For him, I'm gonna use my plier to pull this out. So friends, I have taken out these seals, and these are in 9 layers. Okay, so I have this new one. I took a measurement and cut a new piece. I put the very first piece here, and you see we have a cut here. The next one, we're gonna keep the cutting on the other place to prevent any leakage. I use this to push it equal, like this, and take this out. I put the next one. Again, press with this one. So keep going like this. It's going smooth. So friends, I tied this last one too, and you see I still have little bit space, but that we need to keep for the pusher to take its place. So screws are tight equally, and this is moving freely too. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.